Thanks for staying tuned to WION. I'm Samiksha Srivastava, tracking all the top stories over the next half an hour. First up, as always, the top headlines itself. Indian Army provides specialized guerrilla warfare training to village defense guards in Jammu and Kashmir's Doda district as part of strengthening counter-terror arrangements.
उसके बाद हथियार को सफाई करने का तरीका बताया था आपको भी आधो खुदरो लेके नहीं हाँ इसको वापस बैठा आगे
At least 148 flights have been cancelled and over 150 flights delayed at the Delhi airports today due to dense fog and low visibility conditions. Airport Authority and airlines have advised passengers to keep up with updates and arrive earlier than usual. Taiwan's military simulates defense of River Mount with waterborne obstacles in response to Chinese drills that encircle Taiwan. These are part of Taipei's emergency combat readiness drills. Thailand releases 18 Cambodian soldiers held since July under a renewed ceasefire agreed by the two countries. This weekend, the troops halted 20 days of fighting that killed at least 101 people and displaced more than 500,000 on both the sides. Ukrainian authorities say that Russian strikes in Odessa have wounded 4 people, including 3 children. The Ukrainian city's military administration said that drones attacked residential, logistical and energy infrastructure in the region. Video shows 2 persons walking dangerously close to Mount Kilaueu's erupting lava fountains, sparking safety concerns near the active volcanic site. Kilauea is one of the most active volcanoes globally, has been erupting episodically for over a year now. Gold falls nearly 1% and silver slumps more than 6% as traders book profits after record highs. Analysts say that the move looks corrective, not trend-changing, with sentiment still supported by global uncertainty, easier monetary expectations, and strong industrial demand for silver. Former Australian cricketer Damian Martin has been admitted to hospital in Brisbane and placed in an induced coma after being diagnosed with meningitis. Former teammates including Adam Gilchrist wish Martin a speedy recovery.